Your credit score impacts everything in the US, from getting an apartment to buying a car or a home. But millions of Americans are tanking their score every single day due to simple credit card mistakes they don't even realize they're making. Here are 5 credit card mistakes destroying your credit score and how to fix them fast. Mistake number 1. Closing your oldest card. Paid off that old starter card and want to cancel it. Don't do it. 15% of your FICO score depends on the length of credit history. Closing your oldest card shortens your average account age, causing your score to drop. The fix: keep the account open. Put one small monthly bill on it like Netflix and turn on autopay. Mistake number 2. Carrying a balance to build credit. This is a complete myth. Carrying a balance does not build credit faster. It only costs you hundreds in crazy high interest rates. Credit bureaus only care if you pay on time, not if you pay interest. The fix: always pay your full statement balance every month to pay 0 interest while building great credit. Mistake number 3. High credit utilization. Credit utilization makes up 30% of your total score. Even if you pay in full every month, maxing out your limit before your statement date gets reported to the credit bureaus as high risk. The fix: keep your balance under 30%, ideally under 10% of your total limit when your statement closes. Mistake number 4. Applying for too many cards at once. Every time you apply for a new card, a hard inquiry hits your report. Applying for several cards in a short window looks like financial distress to lenders and lowers your account age. The fix: space out credit applications by at least 3 to 6 months. Mistake number 5. Missing a payment by 30 days or more. Your payment history is 35% of your score. Just one 30-day late payment can drop an 800 score by up to 100 points and stays on your report for 7 years. The fix: set up autopay for at least the minimum payment due every month. Avoid these 5 mistakes, and you'll protect your credit score for life. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick finance tips. See you next time.